guys, welcome to the Amber Show. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and give me a huge thumbs up.
Okay guys, I am Amber's mom. Hi, how are you guys? And we are here because we are about to do different activities that you can do at home during this quarantine. It's very simple. It's things that you have in your home, and it's very easy and also very fun that you would want to do over and over again. Now, what do we have here, Amber?
So we have some dry markers.
Dry eraser markers. We have a plain white plate, and we also have
some water.
There you go. So what are we going to do first is Amber is going to draw anything that's connected. You can draw a stick man. You've seen that before. You can draw a heart, a triangle, things like that. So let's see. What are you gonna do?
So I am going to do a heart.
Let's get the camera here.
Let's see if I can just go like this.
Okay. Ooh, it's not connected though, baby. I know the smiley face is gonna go somewhere else in the two hearts too.
Let's just go like that.
What else do you want to draw?
Okay.
Let's do a triangle after that. That's not connected, but okay.
Okay, let's just go like this.
Okay, and I want to draw, let's see, a square and also a triangle.
Let's see what else we can draw. Circle.
A circle. Okay, you ready?
And a rectangle.
Whoa. Okay. So we have a lot of things here on this plate. And Amber, if you can get the cup of water and pour it very slowly from the corner. Let's see if it works.
It's working.
Oh my god. It's lifting. Wait.
Oh no. Okay. These are not really floating, but we can say that works.
Okay.
Okay, we are back. Now we have a cardboard right here, and we're going to paint it with my letter.
Yes, another very easy project that you can do at the house. Yeah. We got a cardboard from one of our packages outside. We simply just cut it into a small square. We have some paint, different color paint. And
also we have different color.
Glitter.
Yep. Glitter is my favorite part.
Right? Who doesn't love glitter?
Who doesn't?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what else do we have?
And we have some tape.
Some clear tape. You can use literally, you guys, whatever other color tape. Yeah, any tape that you have, it's fine because we're gonna peel it at the end. So Amber, what do you want to put here on the board?
So we are going to put the tape on it, the cardboard.
Okay. And what are you going to do with the cardboard? You're going to put the letter
A
for
Amber.
You want my help?
Okay. Yes, please.
All right, here you go.
Here.
And now it's time to
Paint!
Yay!
It's the messy part, and I love the paint too. Okay, now it's time for glitter party. Ah.
And spread the glitter around to make sure that.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Wow.
Ooh, it only got like it skipped the middle. You see? It's
That's
glitter
cool.
there. It is really cool, and then we can see the A from here.
Now.
We found the A. Just have to take it off. It's okay, because that's the A. That's where the tape is. Doesn't matter. Okay, here we go.
There we go.
Here we go. Remember, hold it down. There you go. All right, you want to pull it out?
Yep. It's the funniest part.
This is super cool. Here's the letter A. It looks really nice, Amber. I love it. You can put it on your door, in your room. You can put it anywhere, on your walls, in your room, or here as a decoration. You can give it to your parents. It's very simple, very fun. Let me see. Very simple and very fun. This is how it would look. I love it, Amber.
Hi guys, so we already done 2 activities. Now it's time for the 3rd one.
And what is the 3rd one called? Ooh.
A lava lamp.
Very exciting. Ah! This is the last one that we are going to show.
Yeah.
So we need a water bottle,
Water.
right?
Right here. And also a water.
So we need a water bottle. We need some water.
And some.
It says vegetable oil, but we don't have any vegetable oil. We have corn oil. So I think that will do. And then we also need
Some yellow food coloring.
all right, these are the only things that you will need for this mini activity that you're doing right now.
Easy and fun.
So we need to put it probably like up to here with oil. So I'm going to, so we need to fill 2/3 of the water bottle with oil. So we're gonna fill it right here. I'm gonna do this, Amber. Okay, this is like 2/3 the water bottle, a little bit more than half basically.
Yeah.
So we have it here, and then Amber is going to add some water.
So right here. Let's put some water.
What you guys can see is the water is actually sinking down and the oil is floating up.
Yeah.
So keep filling it up with water, baby, until the tippy top. Right there. Perfect. So you see how cool this is?
So the water goes down and the oil goes up.
It stays up.
Yeah, it's like it's like the water is forcing the vinegar to go up.
Because the water is heavier than the oil. It's actually called, it has high density. So, it's very cool. And then Amber is going to add her food coloring.
It's yellow. Let's see
Right,
if
the
we
oil's
can
yellow.
see it.
Put a little bit more.
There we go. Like I already did 4 drops. It
actually didn't even drop down.
Yeah, it will take some time. So like it's floating.
You can see it. Oh, you see it right there. It's very cool. This is actually our first time actually trying it. And then what she is going to do next is
Shake it.
hold on. Oh yeah. So sorry guys. One thing that we didn't mention, where's the Alka-Seltzer? The little packet that I gave you. Right there. One thing we forgot to tell you guys is that we need, or ask your parents if they can give you a packet of Alka-Seltzer, and you will know exactly why right now. So I'm going to open it for Amber.
Some of them you don't really need that actually.
So we're gonna just break it into 4s because you don't need the whole
Thing.
yeah, you don't need the whole thing for this experiment. So as Amber is throwing down, I think we should put the blue just in case because the oil is yellow, so I don't know. Running low on the blue. So,
It's not sinking.
that pretty thing up there. Okay.
Okay, whatever.
So Amber will add some Alka-Seltzer now.
Oh, it took the
And you
glue
see
down.
guys, the Alka-Seltzer is dissolving all the way at the bottom and it's going up.
Oh.
And then it's also, you see it, it looks
Oh,
like a lava
it
lamp.
needs to close, it needs to close.
We need to put the top for real. And then you see guys, it is amazing. And it's going all by itself. Just amazing. And actually just leave it open. I feel like let's give it some air. That is so cool.
Let's see.
And look, it's actually turning orange over here, so you can actually see the
Oh,
bubbles.
the blue is coming. The blue is coming and it's turning into green now.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's super cool. All right, drop another one. Oh, you see it is like mixing all around. Now you can see the bubbles.
Oh my god.
We might just spin it a little bit. Okay, you see? It looks so cool. Oh my god, it's about to spill out. It's a really big pill. Oh my god. We have to pour some out. It's coming up. It's coming. Oh my god.
It's dripping. That's
We
why
put way too much. We should have not put so much water or oil.
It was the oil. I'm serious. It was the oil.
It's something that you can actually keep, and whenever you feel like playing with it, you can just add these and you can just keep doing it over and over again. So we're just gonna put some out.
If you have some more, you can do
There
it
you go.
again. So that's it, guys. This is how you do a lava lamp. And don't forget to subscribe.
Give it a big thumbs up and turn on your post notification. That way you are alerted whenever Amber posts a new video. And trust me, when we have a lot of funny and fun videos coming up, so please stay tuned. Bye guys.
Bye.